This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Burke. New HVAC, new furnace, new duct work, new freshly painted home. Owner purchased, did some renovations, then had to move per military. This immaculate 4-bedroom home is located on an oversized lot, completely fenced in with privacy fence in a very desirable area of Virginia Beach. Beautiful family room, spacious bedrooms, updates throughout the home. Extremely spacious primary bedroom with oversized walk-in closet. Features high ceilings, all rooms are generously sized. Newer roof and newer windows as well. Come check it out soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Burke at 757-403-0911.